Jeongrila. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm your Korean instructor, Jeongrila, Jong. Did you review what we learned in the previous class? How was your test score? I hope you could get a good result. Then let's slip into our new class, shall we? If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you. Okay, first, take out the storybook and a pen together. If you don't have the book, you can purchase it by clicking the link in the comments and the description section down here. Good. Now that you get ready, let's get started. Open your book and let's move to page 13. Okay, first sentence. 신하들과 모든 사람들은 아래만 봐야 했기 때문에 무슨 일이 벌어지는지 알지 못했어요. Okay, first let's split it into two parts like here, because we can find the word blah blah 때문에, right? So blah blah 때문에 is yes, because, right? So because 신하들과 모든 사람들은, so his subordinates and all the people, his subordinates and all the people 아래만 봐야 했다, right? 아래만 봐야 했다. 블라블라 해야 하다, 블라블라 해야 하다, 블라블라 아야 하다, 어야 하다 is have to or must. But in this case, 했다, right? So had to, right? So had to, and 보다, 보아야, 보다 is to look at or to see. And 아래만, 아래 is actually down, and 만 is only, right? So it is like to look down, So first, the meaning of this part is because his subordinates and all the people had to only look down, and 무슨 일이 벌어지는지 알지 못했어요. So, 신하들과 모든 사람들은 무슨 일이 벌어지는지 알지 못했어요. Okay? So, 무슨 일이 벌어지는지 is object, and 알지 못했어요, that is verb. 블라블라지 못하다, can't. 블라블라지 못했다, couldn't. Right? And 알다 is to know. So couldn't know. What? This. 무슨 일이 벌어지는지. 무슨 일 is actually what thing or what situation, and 벌어지다 is to happen. So the meaning of this whole sentence is because his subordinates and all the people had to look down, they couldn't know what happened or what was happening. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 그때 왕이 소리쳤어요. 그때 is that time, at that moment, that is 그때. 왕이, the king, 소리쳤어요. 소리치다 is the base form. 소리치다 is to shout. Then 소리쳤다 is, yes, shouted. Very good. So at that moment, the king shouted. 아야, it is just exclamation, so like ouch. 이게 무엇이냐? First, 이게 is 이것이, and 무엇이냐? What, right? So what is this? What's this? Like that. What is this? That is 이게 무엇이냐? 신하들은 땅을 보며 물었어요. Oops, there's an error. This is not question mark, just period. I'm sorry. So 신하들은 땅을 보며 물었어요. First, 블라블라며 is the verb conjugation, meaning more than two things happen at the same time, right? So 신하들은 물었다. 땅을 보며. You can think of it like that. So his subordinates. 물었어요. 묻다 is the base form. 묻다 is ask. 물었다, asked. So his subordinates asked the king, in this case, right? Asked the king. 땅을 보며. 보다 is to see or to look at. So looking at, 땅 is the ground. The meaning of this whole sentence is his subordinates asked the king looking at the ground. You can understand me, right? Good. 왕이시여, oh my king, 무슨 일이십니까? Very formal style. So 무슨 일이십니까 is 무슨 일이야? 무슨 일이에요? 무슨 일이세요? Like that. That means what's the matter? What's wrong with you? What happened? You can understand me, right? So 무슨 일이십니까? What's wrong with you, my king? 아야, ouch, ouch. Good. Now turn a page. Okay, first sentence. 왕은 대답할 수 없었어요. Very simple and easy, right? The king, blah blah, 리을 수 없다, can't, 없었다, couldn't. So the king couldn't, 대답하다 is to answer. The king couldn't answer. You can understand me, right? And the next sentence. 까치는 날카롭고 강한 부리로 왕의 이마를 쪼았어요. The sentence structure is like this. 까치는 왕의 이마를 쪼았어요. Then the rest parts just kind of adverb. Okay? Now let's get the meaning. 까치는 the magpie, right? Magpie. 쪼았어요. 쪼다 is the base form. 쪼다 is to peck. Okay? So 까치는 쪼았어요. Pecked. The magpie pecked 왕의 이마를, 왕, the king's 이마, forehead. So the magpie pecked the king's forehead. You can understand me, right? Then what is 날카롭고 강한 부리로? Let's focus on the particle blah blah 로. 로 is actually direction, right? However, in this case, it is not some sort of direction meaning. It is like with. So like with some tool, okay? So with 날카롭고 강한 부리. 부리 is a beak, B-E-A-K, beak. Then 날카롭다, 날카로운, 날카롭고, 날카로운 and 강한. 날카로운 is sharp and 강한, strong. So the meaning of this whole sentence is the magpie pecked the king's forehead with his sharp and strong beak. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next thing. 그리고 왕이 피할 수 없을 정도로 빠르게 공격했어요. 그리고 and 공격하다. 공격하다 is to attack. 공격했다, attacked. Who attacked? The magpie, right? So, and he attacked 빠르게. Adverb fast. Attacked fast. And what is 왕이 피할 수 없을 정도로? First, let's focus on the phrase blah blah 리을 정도로. 자, blah blah 리을 정도로 is to a degree that blah blah. To a degree that blah blah. Okay? So to a degree 왕이 피할 수 없다. 왕, the king. blah blah 리을 수 없다. Can't. But in this case, couldn't, right? The past tense. So 왕이 피할 수 없을 정도로 means to a degree that the king couldn't. And what is 피하다? 피하다 is to avoid. So the meaning of this whole sentence is and he attacked very fast to a degree the king couldn't avoid it. You can understand me, right? Good. And the next sentence. 왕이시여, oh my king. 무슨 일이십니까? So 무슨 일이십니까? Very formal style. We did it. What? Yes. What's the matter? What's wrong with you? Very good. 아야, ouch. The last sentence. 왕은 까치를 피해 달아났어요. Okay. The king. 왕 is the king, right? And 달아났어요. Run away. 달아나다 is to run away. 달아났다. Ran away, right? The king ran away. 까치를 피해. 피해 is actually from 피하다, so to avoid, right? The 𝗏 is the magpie. So you can translate it like this. The king ran away from the magpie. You can understand me, right? Good. From now on, repeat after me from the beginning to the end. Let's go. 신하들과 모든 사람들은 아래만 봐야 했기 때문에 무슨 일이 벌어지는지 알지 못했어요. 그때 왕이 소리쳤어요. 아야, 이게 무엇이냐? 신하들은 땅을 보며 물었어요. 왕이시여, 무슨 일이십니까? 아야, 왕은 대답할 수 없었어요. 까치는 날카롭고 강한 부리로 왕의 이마를 쪼았어요. 그리고 왕이 피할 수 없을 정도로 빠르게 공격했어요. 왕이시여, 무슨 일이십니까? 아야, 왕은 까치를 피해 달아났어요. Well done. How was our class today? The king can escape from the magpie's attack? If you're curious about it, just take my class again next week. Okay, well, after this, you should review what we learned today right away so that you can catch the meaning and vocabulary. The test is going to be on Thursday as usual. Good. Then enjoy your day and see you next time. Bye-bye.